everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I film another tutorial video of this tulip set. In this video I will use stamps, stencils and die cut in this set. First, prepare a white cut paper and hold it onto the cutting board. And I use the first layer stencil. I use yellow ink pad and blending. And use green color for leaves and flower stems. Now I finished the first layer, clean stencil and remove extra colors. Then we use the second layer. I use a little dark yellow to blend the second layer. And a different green color for second layer of leaves and flower stems. Okay, I finished the second layer. And let's start with the third layer. All the plastic stencils are same size and there are a number on top left, so it's easy to match the same patterns. I use this orange color for the layer 3. Okay, I finished color blending. We can see the flowers are very pretty even I have no any skills of paintings and drawings. Now I use the stamps. I use black ink pad for stamps. Then we can get black outlines for flowers. The stamping completed. Now we use frame die cuts. Okay, all the flowers and the leaves are ready. We can make a card. tulip flower card is ready. It's beautiful for any occasions. With this tulip set, I think anyone can make stunning flower card easily. Okay, it's today's tutorial. I hope you love it. Thank you. Bye bye.